CAM programming is vital, but it's time-consuming, repetitive, and complex. That's where CAM Assist comes in. It's already saving time in over 1,000 shops worldwide, and now CAM Assist is available in GibbsCAM, making one of the most intuitive CAM platforms even faster. CAM Assist is an AI that works directly with GibbsCAM. It helps you generate high-quality programming strategies for 3-axis and 3+2-axis components in minutes. But this isn't just acceleration. This is intelligent collaboration that enables you to stay in full control. Here we have a prototype part. It includes a variety of features such as precision bores, open slots, threaded holes, and freeform surfaces. Normally, this might take hours to program from scratch. But with CAM Assist, GibbsCAM users can accelerate 80% of that programming instantly. Start by selecting your machine, material, and tools. CAM Assist analyzes your setup and applies intelligent defaults, pulling from your tool library or tailoring adjustments based on your preferences, and your settings stay saved and accessible by your whole team. Next, CAM Assist checks the part's machinability. Got missing geometry? Missing tools? Issues with stock material? You'll know right away so you can fix issues or check a part's suitability before wasting hours. Want to adjust your roughing allowances? Control strategy output? Go aggressive? Conservative? You decide how the AI applies feeds, speeds, and strategies. It's AI-powered CAM with a human in the loop. Whether you're solo or part of a team, CAM Assist brings consistency to your programming. Cloud-stored tools and machines keep your outputs standardized but flexible. Our machinist made a few tweaks, but the AI saved hours of work. Now, let's see it on the machine. GibbsCAM is already one of the easiest ways to program complex parts. Now CAM Assist makes it even easier, helping you deliver faster, with confidence. CAM Assist 2.0 for GibbsCAM. Smarter toolpaths, faster programming, real savings. Try it today and see how much time you could save. CloudNC, accelerated by AI.